Okay, let's go over these problems. So remember, you were only counting your hills to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your denominator should be 6. Okay, now, when you were doing this, what did we do? What did we multiply 3 by to get 6? Well, we multiplied it by 2. So I have to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, did we do anything different? 6 times 1 is 6. So 5 times 1 is 5. It stays the same. We didn't have to change that one because it was already in sixths. 4 plus 5, so 4 sixths. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sixths. Here's 4 sixths. Let's just go ahead and fill this out. And remember, sometimes you'll see a slanted line for fractions. That is A-okay. It means the exact same thing as just a straight line. Okay, 5, 6, 6, 6. Let's keep going. What comes after 6? 7, 6, 8, 6, 9, 6. And if you notice, your 6 and 6 here equals 1 whole, so we're okay so far. 10, 11, 12. What's 12 divided by 6? What's 12 divided by 6? It's 2, so we're good here. 12 divided by 6 is 2, so 2 is the same as 12, 6. Okay, so we're at this spot. Now we're going to add, which means we go to the right, 5 sixths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we did from 0 to this one, which was 4 6 plus 5 6, which brought us to 9 sixths. Now, this is an improper fraction. I want to change this to a mixed number. So what I can do is I can say, if I take away the 6, so I'm going to bring 1 whole here because 9 can go into 6 one time. Sorry, I said that backwards. 6 can go into 9 one time. So if we took those 6 away, how many are left with 9? Well, 9 minus 6 is 3 sixths. Let's see if we do this backwards and check our problem. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Yep, 9 sixths. So we're good there. Now, I do notice that 3 and 6 can both be divided by 3. They can be simplified. So really our answer is 1 and 1/2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So there's number 1. Wow, that took us a bit of time, didn't it? Okay, let's look at number 2. Again, we're going to make our hills to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Okay, so 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, and keep going. And I'm going to stop there, and I'll fill those out later if I need them. Because I don't want to do extra work. I don't want to make this harder for me. So I'm going to make my denominators 6. Okay. What did I multiply 3 by to get 6? Well, I multiplied 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 sixths. That's my new fraction. Again, I did nothing here except multiply by 1. 1 times 6 times 1 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. So I can leave those. 2 6 plus 5 6. So the first one is at the 2 6. And then we're going to add 5 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I'm glad I stopped writing my numbers because that would have been a waste of my time. Look, I only needed to go to here. So my answer here is 7 6. If you notice, 2 plus 5 is 7, and your denominator stays the same. And I didn't do that up here, so let's go back. 4 plus 5 is 9, and your denominator stays the same. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 6. Again, this is an improper fraction. Let's turn it into a mixed number. How many times can 6 go into 7? We could take away how many 6s? Well, we could take away 1 6. And what are we left over with if we took 6 out of that 7? Well, we'd have 1 left out of the 6. So 1 times 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 6. So yep, we checked it and we're good to go. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3, we needed to turn into improper fractions. So 1 times 3 plus 2 is 5/3. 1 times 6 plus 1 is 7/6. And this one's subtracting, so we got to remember we're going to go backwards on the number line. Now the first thing we need to do is figure out how many intervals we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, and keep going. Okay, now we're gonna change these to have the same denominator. Don't forget to bring over your subtraction sign. What do I do to 3 to get 6? I multiply it by 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So 10/6 is where I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put my dot there because I went to 10/6. Now, I didn't do anything here, so the 7 stays the same. I'm subtracting this time, which means I'm going back to the left. So I'm gonna take away 7, which means I'm gonna end up 10 minus 7 is 3. So now I'm at 3/6. I can simplify it. I can divide both 3 and 6 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3/6 is the same as 1/2. So we went 1/2 from 0 to 1. If you only look at 0 to 1, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So we did half from 0 to 1. And that's what our answer ends up telling us, 1/2. Okay, don't forget to do your reflection and then keep doing your practice problems.